In this video, I'll show you how to create password-protected zip file on Windows 11. To get started, go ahead and open your file manager. Now, on your file manager, make sure that you have installed WinRAR as an application on your Windows device. Right-click on that specific file that you want to create as a zip file and click on this Add to Archive button. So in here, you can set the archive name, you can set the archive format, and then set password by clicking on this Set Password button. So once you click on this, you can go ahead and enter the password that you want to use for this zip file. Simply enter the password that you want to use and re-enter the password for verification. Now, after you do that, you can go ahead and click on that OK button. And then once you click on that OK button on that other pop-up, you'll be able to create the zip file on your file manager. So once you do this, you can find the zip file here. So once we click on this and open it, we can open the zip file, but we cannot open the specific file inside the zip file without entering the password that you've set up. And that's basically how you can create password protected zip file on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.